Hello, my kids. I hope you all are safe in your houses. So, stay safe and stay healthy. So, first of all, I wish you a happy World Yoga Day. So, on this day, we do yoga, and the yoga becomes a very important part of our lives because it removes all the stress from our body and give to us a very beautiful life. So today we will understand the different types of yoga and their uses with some pictures. So first of all, we will see the Kundalani yoga. So as you can see in this picture, the girl is sitting and doing the Kundalani yoga by closing her eyes, and she is doing the meditation. So all the toxication and all the bad stuff can come out from her mind. So she is doing the Kundalani yoga in this image. As you can see, she is sitting. So in this picture, in the next picture, you can see this girl is sitting erect and her posture is perfectly correct. So for Kundalani yoga, you have to sit like this, and you have to close your eyes and do meditation. Okay, so now I will tell you the benefits of the Kundalani yoga. So Kundalani yoga heals the trauma, releases the trauma from our mind, and and from this we can do the meditation by releasing all the trauma from our mind, and we will feel very healthy by doing this Kundalani yoga. And you have to do this yoga in fresh air. So the first yoga is the Kundalani yoga. Okay, so the next yoga is the Hatha yoga. The word is somewhat atypical. So as you can see in this picture, this girl is doing the Hatha yoga. Now what she is doing, she did her first leg out and the second leg back from the first leg. So, and her hands are straight and in the same position. So this is the picture of the Hatha yoga. Now you can see she is doing a proper Hatha yoga. Now I will tell you the benefits of this yoga, Hatha yoga. So if you do this yoga in a routine, if you will do this yoga daily in a routine, so what is the benefit of this yoga? That it will make your weight less, means it is the perfect yoga for weight loss, and it will burn the fat. Okay, so now I will explain you the third yoga. The third yoga is the Vinyasa yoga. So in this picture you can see that they are somewhat sitting and somewhat standing, and both their hands are moving up. So this like this you have to do the Vinyasa yoga. And what is the benefit of this yoga? Now I will tell you. Physically it will release the toxins from the body, and आपकी बॉडी को क्या कर देगी, ये एनर्जेटिक कर देगी, आपको एनर्जेटिक कर देगी, and it will clears the mind. It will release the toxication from your mind and helps the mind focus. Basically it is good for the mind. So you have to do this yoga and it will release all the toxication. So it is a very good yoga for the mind, for your brain. So at this age, you have to do this yoga. So from the younger age only, your mind will be free of any toxication or any harmful defects. So do this yoga. So now as you can see, we have understood the three yoga, that is Kundalani yoga, Hatha yoga and the Vinyasa yoga. So on this International Yoga Day, perform these yoga activities and freshens or energetic your body with full strength and become energetic. And so I will wish you a very happy International Yoga Day. Thank you. Kidsi Play School, Bareilly.